This is Vincent Terbeek from Pig Progress at the DuPont Pioneer Innovation Center near Des Moines, Iowa. Next to me is Dr. Dean Boyd, and I would like to ask you, could you briefly summarize your presentation?
Yes, it really had to do with the ability of xylanase to improve viability of pigs. It's normally discussed in the sense of nutrient uplift, but this was almost entirely based on its consistent ability to improve viability of pigs, whether there's high immune stress or low immune stress. It's been quite consistent.
Okay, thank you very much. Was there a phytase used in your research, and if so, what level was it?
Yes, we used phytase in the study. We tend to use relatively high levels for nutrient uplift purposes. The units vary depending on the phytase you are employing. In this case, we used Axtra, and it was added at the equivalent of 1,200 phytase units per kilogram of complete diet. So quite a high level.
Okay. Is the effect of xylanase on livability only something noted in challenged herds, where intake and or growing conditions are limiting factors? Could you explain why or why not?
We have found that it's effective even under conditions where pigs are healthy, consuming a good amount of feed and growing rapidly. But we've also found it to be effective in improving viability where health is somewhat challenged, intake is less, and growth is less. So it works in both situations. However, if one has an extreme health challenge, it's not going to be very effective in that case.
Okay, thank you. Have you seen any effect on variability or reduction of underweight carcasses?
The data set that I showed last will be the data set for us to measure that carefully. As we looked initially at that data, I didn't see that it changed variation, which was actually a good sign because it was saving some pigs that would normally have died or dropped out. And so it appears not to have made the spread worse, even though it kept those pigs in the game.